Do you feel that uncomfortable burn after sipping your morning coffee? You're definitely not alone. This is a common experience. But here's the good news for coffee lovers. The key is to choose low-acid coffee varieties. Brands like Puroaste and Healthwise are revolutionizing the coffee scene with their special roasting methods that lower acidity while keeping that rich flavor we all crave. Have you ever tasted cold brew? It's not just a fleeting fad. It naturally has lower acid levels and a wonderfully smooth texture. You'll be amazed at how gentle it feels on your stomach. Now let's talk about those delicious add-ins. While sugar and cream can boost flavor, they might trigger reflux. Why not try almond milk? It offers that creamy goodness without the acidity. Imagine enjoying a delightful cup of coffee that brings you joy without any discomfort. If you found these tips helpful, please give a thumbs up. Share your favorite low-acid coffee in the comments. Together, we can enjoy our beloved coffee while keeping our stomachs happy. Let's keep the passion for coffee alive. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.